Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANFI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the green line down there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the chart put in some new highs here and then some higher lows. So on that note, I'm just going to use this level here. Sure, that still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter, which leads to confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support established, and what I would call the ideal level, is right there at 48 cents, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would certainly be if the price can stay up above 48. Now with that being said, if the price falls below 48 cents, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying up above 48 would definitely be a good sign of power. Now taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50 period at simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote unquote the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 48, that would be great. However, grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, initial level right up here at 55 cents, which is where this late day bounce ultimately got rejected. If the price can push up through 55, then the next key overarching level right up there at the highs from this morning, which sit at 62 cents. So all in all, though, another nice day. And as long as the price keeps on chipping away and building those higher bases, then everything else will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.